Okay, so I told the guy, I'd make him a video, and I almost forgot, because I almost just passed out without, and I was just like, oh wait, I promised. Okay, so, I'm here to tell you all about this amazing guy named Robert. I will not tell you his last name, because then you will try to steal him. Anyways, he is such a dork. The way he asks for pictures is by sending a goofy photo of himself, saying please with the goofiest face ever. He is adorable. He's sweet. He's the most amazing guy that I have met so far in my life. And I can't call him mine yet. Soon, maybe. Soon. I met him not too long ago. So I'm not in love with him. Of course, that'd be creepy. He's a creep though. People's houses. And he just texted me. Anyways. This video is dedicated to him and how amazing he is and how adorable he is. And he does have a YouTube account on here. I think it's called Pimp Out My Sandwich or something. I don't honestly remember the name, but yeah, check that out. See how lame this kid is. He plays chess. Chess is lame. I can't wait till I get to see him. I'm in Montana right now, so I'm kind of distanced from him, which makes me want to cry. He's a cheerleader. It's pretty attractive, isn't it? Yeah, you're jealous, aren't you? Good. Better be jealous. Anyways, we might not be dating, but he's mine, so back off. Yeah, sorry, I went there. Anyways, he's probably gonna look at this video soon, so Robert, just know you're amazing, and I'm so glad to have met you. And I'm gonna be very cheesy right now and use a One Direction song. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. There we go. Yeah. On with my awkwardness. Bye. Yeah, that's all.